Welcome to Mexico City, y'all. Ciudad de Mexico, one of my favorite Mexican cities, one of the biggest cities in the world. I just got here from Oaxaca. I had to get a layover. My choices were either 2 hours or 9 hours. I chose 9 hours because your boy loves Mexico City. Let's catch an Uber and go get some tacos. We have 9 hours. Let's make the best of it. I love this old Mexico City airport. I know they built a new one, but it's too far out. It's like a 45-50 minute ride into the city. This one's a lot closer. It's a lot easier to navigate. You can call an Uber. The other one you can't. So yeah, I like this airport. Alright y'all, so the taxi just dropped me off outside this taco spot. El Califa de León, right back here. This place, like 1 or 2 years ago, they were awarded a Michelin Star, and they were the first street taco place to get this achievement. And I was here last year, but by the time I got here, it was late, they were closed. So I specifically got this 9-hour layover to come eat these tacos. Let's go. This is a super small taco spot. It is packed. I got 3 of their most famous tacos. They only have like 4 different tacos. One of them is specifically the one they were awarded, the Michelin Star for. But I was reading online, it's a combination of things that they're looking at. So cleanliness of the place, how consistent they are with the quality of the meat and the quality of the bread. I mean, you guys saw that they were hand making the tortillas. I literally came out here for this, and if you can't tell, I'm super excited. So 2024, last year they got their award. This is gonna be good, y'all. Alright, for the first one, I'm not doing any kind of sauce. Yeah, it makes sense. I've been wanting to come in and eat here literally over a year. And now I'm over here on the ground. My favorite way to eat tacos is sitting on the ground. Shout out to this place. I just tried the meat by itself, and it's really good. It has like a level of fatness and juiciness to it. I wish I was a little more hungry. I could eat like 3 more of these. So the thing is, I got 2 different kinds, but I'm pretty sure that this one right here is the winner because it has like slabs of fat and it's salty and it adds so much flavor to the taco. And you put some lime on it, some hot sauce, and it's over. Shout out to this place, man. They deserve the Michelin star. It was so good, I wasn't even that hungry, but I finished all of them. Straight fire. If you ever get a chance to come here to Mexico City, make sure you come to this place. Taquería Califa de León. Muchas gracias. There you have it, y'all. Tacos al Califa right here in Mexico City. There's a beautiful park right behind me. I might go for a walk. I just finished my tacos at Califa de León. I went for a little walk. I came to the Revolutionary Monument. This beautiful structure represents the Mexican Revolution. I wanted to wrap this video up here, give you my final thoughts on the tacos, and show you guys this beautiful building. It was like a 10-minute walk here from the taco place. Not the best, not the safest part of Mexico City, but it's a overall safe city. So the tacos, without a doubt, one of the best tacos I've ever had in my life. But at the same time, I'm coming back from Oaxaca. This is a layover for me. And the thing is, I had a couple of tacos in Oaxaca that were mind-blowingly good. I had specifically a lechon taco, which is like pork, and then they put crispy chicharron on top of it. And it's kind of hard to beat that flavor-wise. The meat here at this place, it was a little different. It was more of a fatty meat, fatty and salty, and like super juicy, flavorful meat. Like so good that you don't even need to add any sauce. I had one with sauce, one without sauce. They are consistent with the quality of the meat, and the bread, the tortilla was amazing too. I think they deserve their star. But the thing with me is, there's so many places in Mexico, not only Mexico City, but in Mexico, have incredible tacos and deserve a Michelin star too. These guys got lucky. I mean, they're fortunate, but also well deserved. So I'll wrap this up here. Continue on my walk out here in Mexico City until I have to go back to the airport for my flight. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you come out here to Mexico City and try these tacos.